right in the bag. You can just drop it on one of those chargers and just put it in the floor. Better than 4 or 5 double leaders. Yeah, a lot more power.
Try the Tiger.
That's the low temperature, you don't need batteries and stuff.
So it isn't really round.
Right, right.
And then you put the tank on.
Right, you gotta have the tank.
And 4 bubbles slightly smaller than this, what I call the square bubbles.
Right.
4.
Those are gonna be the wheels.
No.
Or the.
This is the motor.
Oh, right.
That goes down over the tank to the bottom.
And pushes through.
Then there's the next bubble is the seat. Seat. And then the next 2 bubbles is the tire, last tire,
Mm-hmm.
and kickstand. And I will say that the kickstand I got from that other bike. But the rest of this I had before they made the other bike up.
How cool.
And you twist that down so.
Right, so it's the
All right,
kickstand.
then here's the area here.
Right. You twist through.
Twist those and lay them flat against the boom here. So
Right.
like that. Same thing on this one.
And then
You
got
pop this.
right, but not in front of a kid.
Right. Well, you can with the scissors in front of the kids.
Right.
I didn't have one with me, and now I didn't get it popped far enough. There it goes.
There it goes.
You got your motorcycle.
Very, very cool.
And then you can put the kid's name in here.
Right.
Or you can call it Harley, or
Right. I love it.
or put an HD for Harley Davidson.
HD. I love it.